was the hesitation, the doubt, the softness. In their place, confidence, fire, power. I took my first steps, each one echoing softly on the floor. The click was sharper now, sharper than in any other shoes. Like punctuation at the end of every move I made. I wasn't walking, I was owning the space I moved through. The shape of the pump lifted me, not just in height, but in presence. I carried myself differently, straighter, stronger, as if these heels reminded me of who I really was underneath everything. Wearing them, I didn't just feel beautiful, I felt untouchable. The glossy black leather reflected light like it was wearing secrets, wrapping my feet in something dangerous and divine. I turned slightly, watching the arch curve elegantly from toe to heel. Perfection, no detail left to chance. Luxury isn't just about price, it's about how something makes you feel. And these pumps, they made me feel like a queen of the night.